Hey guys, it's Haya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be getting ready for my high school graduation. I'm really excited. At the same time, I'm pretty nervous, but I'm glad that I'm going to get this over with. It sounds bad, but not in a bad way, you know? That probably doesn't make sense. Okay, so I know I just posted a get ready with me, which was my prom get ready with me, where I showed you guys my hair, makeup, and then kind of showed you guys my outfit, my dress. This time I'm gonna try and make it more successful and properly show you my makeup and my dress. As for my hair, it's literally gonna be what I always do, so I'm not gonna film that because it's very stressful trying to do it in this position, and I just want to relax while I'm doing it so I can make it look as best as I possibly can. But yeah, I'm sorry that this is the second get ready with me you're gonna see in a row, but to spice things up in this video, I'm also gonna have my parents vlog for me because I can't carry my phone or my camera around when I'm graduating. So they're gonna vlog for me, so I'm gonna basically be taking you guys with me to my graduation, you know, showing you a big part of my life, a big full stop. Once again, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna turn off the AC in this video. I promise my other videos I'll turn it off, but the audio in this video is less important to me than me sweating, if that makes sense. Basically, I'm sorry, but I don't always sweat, so I'm not gonna turn off the AC, so the audio is gonna be not the best, but it'll get better, okay? Oh, and I'm also gonna be vlogging the dinner after my graduation, which should be exciting. So yeah, let's get started. I did my eyebrows off camera because they stressed me out, and today was a really bad eyebrow day, so I'm really glad I didn't do them on camera because that would have just been extra stressful. But I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes so I can start off with my eyes. Unlike prom, I'm gonna do a lot more of a minimal look on my eyes because it's graduation and I don't want to look like, you know, too crazy. I just want to look kind of natural, not really natural though, because I don't want to be natural, but kind of natural, you know what I mean? To prime my eyes, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. By the way, I've already moisturized my face and I cleaned it and I took a shower, which is why my hair is wet, but I haven't done it yet because, as I said, I want to take my time doing it and I'm not going to film it. If you kind of want to see how I did it, then you can watch my prom get ready with me if you haven't already. I'm going to set the concealer with the Benefit Hello Flawless Powder Foundation. Do you want to say hi to my video? Dad, come say hi.
Hi, how are you?
My mom's helping me prepare my gown and stuff, so excuse the sound in the background. My sister does eyeliner more often than I do, so she's a lot better at it. It's like the one makeup thing she's better at. So because I don't want to stress out today, I'm gonna have her do my eyeliner for the first time. I'm putting my faith and trust in her. So my dress is actually baby pink. I'm gonna show you it later on in the video. So I'm gonna be taking the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Sweetheart with a big fluffy brush. This is gonna be my transition shade. And they want to do one last rehearsal before the actual thing happens, so I need to get dressed extra early. It's really stressful, but I forgot to put some CeraVe, so I'm gonna put some CeraVe on my lips because today I'm wearing matte lipstick. Next, I'm gonna take a tapered blending brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Rebel right here just to deepen up the look a little bit, but not too much because the focus is the eyeliner today. And then I'm gonna take this brush that I used earlier. It's a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Charmer, which is just a matte, really pale shade, and I'm gonna put that like in the inner part of my eye. Actually, why am I zooming you guys in? Like, sorry, I completely forgot to film. Now I'm gonna take the tapered blending brush again, and I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corner a little more with the same shade I was using earlier. Hashtag get ready with me. Finish your brushing please right now. Don't move your eyeballs. Close your eyes, don't move. I'm not moving them. You're twitching like insane. change of plans. Basically, the way my sister does eyeliner is very different to the way that works on my eyes and the way that I'm used to having mine. I'm just gonna do it myself and just try my best not to stress out. I'm already kind of late, like behind on schedule, so I think moral of the story of me having to redo my eyeliner is don't doubt yourself, because sometimes you can do it, you know. Time to speed through my face makeup because I took too long on my everything else. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. You're gonna notice that on my face I'm using a lot of the same products that I use in my Get Ready With Me prom video. And the reason that is because for important events where I know I'm gonna be taking pictures, I just really like to use products that I actually trust so that nothing goes wrong. The next primer I'm going to be using is Too Faced Poreless Skin Smoothing Face Primer. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put that on my nose and on my chin area. After I've used that, I'm going to be using the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. This is a healthy glow pore minimizing effect primer. It's really cheap, but it's a really good dupe for the Benefit Backlight Priming Filter, the purple one, except this is like a different color, but I honestly prefer the golden type of color. So I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks and on my forehead a little bit. That glow, you know. Next up, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear foundation. Not that they have another one, but mine is in the shade 190. I love this foundation with all my heart. It's my holy grail. I use it all the time. For concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I always use this. It looks so good. It's my all-time favorite concealer. I actually also tried the new Fenty concealer, but I haven't tried it enough to like rate it. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I need to straighten to... You know when our graduation actually starts? It starts at 7:30. 7:30? Yeah.
Why are we going 5:30?
Because we need to do a practice. On top of the Laura Mercier powder, I am just using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the shade 115 Ivory. Okay, next, I'm gonna take a bronzing brush. I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the shade light to medium, and I'm gonna go into the middle shade called Fawn, and I'm gonna contour. I'm just contouring my cheekbones on my forehead. I never really do my jawline just because I feel like when I do it, there looks like there's a significant difference in color between my face and my neck. I don't know why. Next, I'm going to take the Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm just going to buff out the contour. I'm going to go back into the contour kit to use the same shade I used earlier. And I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. And I'm going to blend out the nose contour I just did. I'm going to go back in with my Tarte & Boom palette and a pencil brush, and I'm going to take this shade Sweetheart once again and put that on my lower lash line. I'm not going to take the shade Rebel just because I want this to look kind of soft. Next, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and a big brush. And I'm just going to use this to bronze very slightly. So it looks like I have some sort of color. Next, I'm going to take the Tarte Life of the Party Clay Blush Palette, and I'm going to dip in my brush into the shade Flamingo here, which is very nice. Pink. Cute. Next, I'm going to take the Mary Lou Luminizer because I want a highlight that's going to be there.
I went all out on highlight.
Lema, I need the light. I have 15 minutes to leave the house. Exciting. Very exciting. I'm using the Lash Princess mascara in green. The green one. Okay, I'm going to finish this video later. I need to go get dressed. Hey guys, so I'm in the car now. I suffered a lot with my lipstick. I don't know why, but my lip shape is really weird, so it makes it really hard to put on lipstick. I'm with my sister, and we are on our way to the graduation. We are meant to be in the venue at 5:30. It is now 5:46. This is my final makeup. For lips, I used the 3C Makeup Forever lip liner, and I also used the Huda Beauty matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick in the shade Bombshell. So that is my lips. I haven't gotten to show you guys my dress yet, but I'll show you as soon as I can. I'm gonna give my mom my phone and she's gonna vlog for me the celebration. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go.
Allah, 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 Allah.
Ready, 1, 2, smile. Okay.
So cute. Arwa, how do you feel?
I feel emotional, guys.
Okay.
We're backstage. This is my dress. It's just tight. It's baby pink. And my heels. We just finished the practice. Thankfully I didn't fall. So hopefully I don't fall in the real thing, but I'm sweating already. Is that TMI? That's probably TMI. I'm sweating already.
Yeah, they should.
Okay, my heels are from...
Where are they from? What's wrong?
Look at that.
What happened?
Look at that. It's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, the heels are from College Spring. My dress is from Misguided. Hi guys, we're finally, this is it. This is the moment. The final moment. This is it, bro. Guys, anyone want to be in my vlog? Hey! Hi!
It's happening. Guys, it's happening. Like, it's actually happening. Guys, it's happening. It's happening.
I lost my tassel. Send me that so I can put it in my tassel. Yes.
Okay.
It's a crisis.
فجأة everyone lost their tassels. Samo!
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the graduating class of 2019.
wait. I want mama.
Guys.
Oh, hi. This is gonna be for my channel, yeah? It's okay. Okay, so basic miles.
You know what I'm saying?
I forgot to vlog the graduation dinner.
Snazzy Azzy up in this bitch.
So I forgot to vlog. So I'm just gonna insert clips of whatever I find other people send me. Okay? Thanks. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, so I'm back home. It is currently, where's my phone? It is currently 12:52 a.m. I got lots of love from my family, which is really cute. So that was really nice and intense. I'm really sorry for not vlogging enough in the party. I completely forgot about the fact that I was vlogging in the first place, and my phone was low on charge. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you reached this far in the video, comment down below the graduating cap. Is that what it's called? That emoji. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and kind of joining me on my ride. I'm gonna go take my makeup off. Probably not, actually. I'm probably just gonna go sleep right after this video. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, because I'm trying to make more content now. You know, I'm trying to get my life together, just sort of trying. And I hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling. Bye!